We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Gear Ball, the 4.2-inch 3D printed gear ball, spin ball, cube fidget toy in laser purple blue by Althul. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Gear Ball is presented as an innovative finger toy designed to provide stress relief and anxiety reduction. Branded as the Gear Sphere and marketed as the steampunk whirling wonder fidget, it is constructed from high-quality 3D printed materials. The manufacturer emphasizes a smooth surface and durable structure, promising a tactile and visually engaging experience. Its compact pocket-sized design makes it suitable for on-the-go use, whether at work, in class, or during moments when a mental recharge is needed. The Gear Ball is also positioned as an eye-catching desk toy and a unique gift for tech enthusiasts, engineering fans, and anyone who enjoys engaging fidget gadgets. From a technical standpoint, the Gear Ball measures 4 inches on each side and weighs 5.6 ounces. It is recommended for users aged 6 years and up and is manufactured in China. The product has achieved a bestsellers rank of number 15,944 in Toys and Games and number 66 in Fidget Spinners, according to its Amazon listing. Customer feedback averages 3.9 out of 5 stars across nearly 300 ratings, offering a broad spectrum of user experiences. Examining the positive feedback, many users highlight the Gear Ball's appeal to individuals who are highly energetic or have difficulty focusing without something to occupy their hands. One reviewer notes that the Gear Ball is fantastic for people with minds and bodies that move at the speed of light, specifically mentioning its vibrant colors and silky surface texture as standout features. The toy is praised for its ability to keep restless hands busy and provide a satisfying sensory experience. Several users mention that it is a hit with children, especially those who enjoy tactile toys or need a distraction during stressful moments. One grandparent shared that their grandchildren, ranging in age from 3 to 14, immediately gravitated towards the Gear Ball and played with it for hours, with even the adults joining in. The toy's colorful design and engaging movement are frequently cited as reasons why it captures attention and becomes a conversation piece in both home and office environments. Another positive aspect is the Gear Ball's effectiveness as a stress relief tool. Users describe it as soothing and helpful for managing anxiety, particularly in situations where focus is required or nervous energy needs to be channeled. Its portability is also frequently mentioned, with users appreciating the ability to take the Gear Ball anywhere and use it discreetly when needed. The toy's unique steampunk-inspired appearance and the mesmerizing motion of its gears add to its appeal, making it both functional and decorative. However, the Gear Ball is not without its drawbacks, and critical reviews reveal several recurring issues. Durability is a significant concern among users. Multiple reviewers report that the Gear Ball broke within a short period, sometimes in less than 48 hours. In classroom settings, where the toy was handled by many children, it reportedly failed quickly, with parts separating or the gears binding and jumping teeth. Even with adult use, some users found that the Gear Ball began to separate or malfunction within a couple of weeks, leading to frustration and disappointment. The toy's build quality is described by some as feeling poorly made, with a lack of robustness that undermines its long-term usability. Another commonly mentioned issue is the potential for pinched skin during use. The exposed gears and moving parts can catch fingers, especially for younger children or those unfamiliar with the toy's mechanics. This makes it less suitable for unsupervised play by very young children and raises safety concerns for classroom or group environments. Users recommend caution and suggest that the toy may be better suited for older children, teens, or adults who can handle it more carefully. The tactile experience of the Gear Ball also receives mixed reviews. While some users enjoy the silky texture and ridged surfaces, others find the texture unpleasant and the movement less fluid than expected. A few reviewers mention that the toy feels rough or does not spin as smoothly as other fidget toys, which detracts from its intended purpose as a stress relief device. For those who prioritize a seamless, fluid spinning motion, the Gear Ball may not meet expectations. Despite these criticisms, the Gear Ball remains popular among certain user groups. It is particularly well received by individuals who benefit from fidgeting to maintain focus or manage anxiety. The toy's unique design and visual appeal make it a standout item on desks and in collections, and its novelty factor ensures that it attracts attention wherever it is used. For gift giving, the Gear Ball is often described as a fun and thoughtful choice, especially for recipients who appreciate gadgets, engineering, or steampunk aesthetics. In terms of overall performance, the Gear Ball delivers a distinctive fidgeting experience that combines tactile feedback with visual intrigue. Its 3D printed construction allows for intricate gear designs and vibrant color schemes, making it both a functional toy and a decorative object. However, users should be aware of its limitations in terms of durability and safety. The toy may not withstand heavy or rough handling, and care should be taken to avoid pinched fingers. For those seeking a long-lasting, smooth-spinning fidget toy, alternative options may be worth considering. Usability is another important factor to consider. The Gear Ball's compact size makes it easy to carry in a pocket or bag, and its lightweight construction ensures that it does not become cumbersome during extended use. The toy is simple to operate, with users able to spin and manipulate the gears with one or both hands. Its design encourages exploration and experimentation as users discover different ways to interact with the moving parts. The Gear Ball's appeal extends to a wide age range from children to adults, although supervision is recommended for younger users due to the risk of pinching. The Gear Ball's role as a desk toy is also noteworthy. Its eye-catching appearance and dynamic motion make it a conversation starter in office settings, and it can provide a welcome distraction during long meetings or periods of intense concentration. For individuals who enjoy collecting unique or unusual gadgets, the Gear Ball represents an interesting addition to any collection. Its steampunk-inspired design and 3D printed construction set it apart from more conventional fidget toys. In summary, the Gear Ball by Ulthul offers a unique blend of form and function, appealing to users who value tactile stimulation, visual interest, and portability in a fidget toy. Its strengths lie in its engaging design, vibrant colors, and ability to provide stress relief for those who benefit from fidgeting. However, potential buyers should be mindful of the reported issues with durability, rough movement, and the risk of pinched fingers. The Gear Ball is best suited for older children, teens, and adults who appreciate its novelty and are willing to handle it with care. If you are considering the Gear Ball as a gift or personal purchase, weigh the positive aspects of its design and sensory experience against the practical concerns raised by users. For those who prioritize unique aesthetics and enjoy experimenting with new gadgets, the Gear Ball may offer hours of fascination and stress relief. For others seeking a more robust or fluid fidget toy, alternative options may be more suitable. We invite anyone who owns the Gear Ball to share their experiences in the comments to help future buyers make informed choices. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of informed consumers and helping others find the right gadgets for their needs.